Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just get rid of that line up there. Yeah, that line still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first overall update that does need to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of, bigger bounce to the upside, 45.5 cents is going to be that, overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on. And more so the near term now, as far as resistance levels are concerned, that is where the purple line here is going to come into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Same principle, that was a level of support going into today, but now that the price is below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and it's actually already done so right there. So again, I'm not saying the price can't break above that level or never get back up above the purple line. I'm just saying that, usually, historically speaking, the price really does need to bring its A game to be able to fight above that moving average, and sustain itself up above it. So again, near term wise, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. If the price can get up through there, then you can turn your attention to the 45.5 cent mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, key level going into Friday is just going to be right here at 40.5 cents. So 40.5, that initial level. If that area does not hold up as support, then while not a guarantee, because there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be shocking to see the price potentially drift down and test that pink line down there again, which on my chart is representing the very famous 200-period simple moving average. So again, support-wise, near term, right there at 40.5 cents. But if that doesn't hold, then the next key level would be to keep an eye on the 200-period moving average. So crazy movement today. Nice recovery from these lows, but things are looking a little bit shaky right now. So we'll see if the price can try to stabilize out on Friday or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.